Hello and welcome to the first class of Working Flair. Today we're going to learn our first basic routine that will put you through the first moves in Working Flair. So, in this routine we're going to start by taking our guest order, and first of all we're going to greet him and let everybody knows that the guest has been taken care of by us. In order for us to do so, we're going to make a very first good impression by using the napkin trick. In order for us to do so, we're going to set up the napkin with the closed side facing the customer, and then we will grab the napkins with these fingers right here, set it up on the hand, toss it up, make it do a few rotations, and then catch it on the back of our hands. So again, we set up, and catch. Now, big move, and there you go. This will indicate the rest of our co-workers that the guest is being taken care of. Once we take the guest order, what we are going to do now, we're going to set up our shaker and our ice scoop to prepare the drink. In order for us to do so, first we will learn the bucket grip. We call this the bucket grip because it resembles a bucket once it's done. So, in order for us to do so, we will grab the shaker with our middle finger and our thumb, and we're going to go to one side, closing the bucket, and to the other side, opening the bucket. So one more time, we close and we open. Now, and with the shaker in this position, we're going to grab our ice scoop, fill it up with ice, and then fill up our shaker with ice. Once this is done, we're going to close all together, and now we will bring the ice scoop around our waist and place it between our hip and our right elbow. And now we just toss the shaker into the ice scoop, bring it back up, and now, very simple, small toss from the shaker, and there you go. Our shaker has the ice and is ready for us to prepare the drink. Now we need our glass. So in order for us to set up the glass, we're going to grab the glass with these three fingers from the base, as we can see here, and toss it to our back with this little motion. All the strength from this move comes from the wrist. Do not overextend your arm. Everything comes from the wrist. So we grab the glass, and before we toss it, our left hand is going to come to our back, our thumb is going to be facing down, and when we are ready, we're going to target to the outside line of my right shoulder, grab the glass and toss. 1, 2, 3, toss and catch. Now we bring the glass forward, half spin, switch hands, and now we are ready here. We're going to make the glass to a full spin. In order for us to do so, we're going to apply a little strength from the bottom of our hand and placing the glass in this part of our hand. So here we go. There you go. Once it's ready, we set up the glass and we are ready to move into the bottles. Remember to practice. So, once the tools are set in the bar, we're going to move to the bottles, and the first move that we are going to learn today, we're going to use the same grip that we did with the glass. So, using these three fingers, we're going to grab our bottle by the neck, toss it up into a reverse catch. Up into a reverse catch. One more time. Up into a reverse catch. Bring the bottle around your head, into the shaker, bubble 2, 3, 4, 5, cut forward, and now we're going to bring the bottle back, almost make it rest in our right shoulder, and before we finish, again, our hand, left hand on the back, thumb down, and just let go of the bottle. Switch hands on the front, and the bottle goes back to the well. So now for our second ingredient, what we are going to do is we're going to use the same grip, the three fingers. We're going to toss the bottle up as straight as possible, and when the bottle is in the air, what we are going to do is we're going to scoop underneath it with our hand, making sure that you open your fingers, and these two fingers here, they are a little more elevated than the other ones. This is called a stall. There you go. The reason why we open our fingers like this is because these two are the ones that hold the balance of the bottle, as you can see here. So once we are set, we come closer to the shaker, and now we're going to give the bottle a little toss to the back and catch it by the body. So then we pour bubble 2, 3, but this time we're going to bounce and come to the side. Make a little semicircle, and again put my hand behind my back, bottle up, and catch. Once this is ready, the bottle goes back to the well, and then I'm ready to pour. All the ingredients are in the shaker. I put my juices. So now, using a 16 ounces shaker, we're going to top it off, and now we're going to give it a proper shake. In order for us to do so, we're going to place our right hand on the bottom of the shaker with these 3 fingers holding it, our pinky and our thumb grab it by the body, and now our thumb, which is the strongest finger on your hand, is going to be on top of the shaker, and the other 4 are going to grab the shaker just like this. Bring it to the side and just put the liquids going back and forth. Once you feel the condensation is starting to come outside of the shaker, make sure that you're going to grab with your left hand the shaker, and with your right hand give it a little hit. Make sure that you break the seal, and now we take our little shaker off. Once we are ready, we come to the glass, we put our drink, add a straw, and present it to the guests. Please make sure that you practice all this routine.